where today I'm going to deal with one of the most complicated question type in your IELTS speaking module. I know there are a lot of questions, ma'am, planning कैसे करें, how to utilize that 1 minute, how to come up with an answer, हम answer elaborate नहीं कर पाते हैं, vocabularies नहीं add कर पाते हैं. There are many questions. Support with example. Examiners love examples. And examples eventually talks about the clarity of your answer. Hello and welcome back in this wonderful video where today I'm going to deal with one of the most complicated question type in your IELTS speaking module, which is no doubt a cue card. I know there are a lot of questions, ma'am, प्लानिंग कैसे करें, हाउ टू यूटिलाइज दैट 1 मिनट, हाउ टू कम अप विद एन आंसर, हम आंसर इलाबोरेट नहीं कर पाते हैं, वोकैबुलरीज नहीं ऐड कर पाते हैं. देयर आर many questions. But for that, today I'm going to help you in order to ace this particular question type. Now just listen to me carefully. What exactly a cue card is, how you are going to deal with it. First of all, basically it is a combination of 4 to 5 questions जो आपको मिलता है in your IELTS speaking examination. For that, you will be getting a 1 minute preparation time and then you have to speak for the 2 minutes. Topic with 3 to 4 bullet pointers and examiner will listen silently. Why? Because examiners are not allowed to interrupt you when you are coming up with an answer. So इसका मतलब ये है कि जब आप 2 मिनट तक आंसर बोलेंगे तब एग्जामिनर को कुछ भी इंटरप्ट करना अलाउड नहीं है. For that reason, you need to speak for at least more than 2 minutes and wait for the examiner to stop you. Now, what exactly we need to cater to it? Basically, जो क्यू कार्ड की स्ट्रैटेजी होती है उसको 4S मेथड से समझते हैं. ठीक है? Scan the topic and keyword. What is the keyword? Keywords are basically कि आपको किन किन चीजों का आंसर देना है. If I can brief it up for you, then basically क्यू कार्ड में आप आंसर करते हो what, where, how, when. Make sure to cover all these questions and plan about them before proceeding for your entire answer. Structure your response. Utilize that 1 minute properly and then structure your response. Support with example. Examiners love examples. And examples eventually talks about the clarity of your answer. So जब भी आप बात करेंगे क्यू कार्ड की, मेक श्योर अगेन इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी कि आपको एग्जाम्पल देना है, बट अगर आप इसको एग्जाम्पल से सपोर्ट कर देते हो तो डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन आइसिंग ऑन द केक. टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्दर, स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली. देखो, कॉन्फिडेंस तभी आएगा व्हेन यू नो दैट योर कंटेंट इज सॉलिड. फॉर दिस रीजन यू नीड टू यूटिलाइज दैट 1 मिनट प्रॉपर्ली. क्या लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है, उसकी टेंशन लेने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों? बेसिकली व्हाट यू नीड टू राइट इन योर क्यू कार्ड इज नोट डाउन द कीवर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी जस्ट टेक अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. टॉक अबाउट अ टाइम व्हेन यू रिसीव्ड मनी एज अ गिफ्ट. अब यहां पे यू नीड टू नोट डाउन योर कीवर्ड्स. यू कैन फॉलो अ स्ट्रैटेजी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you can go for the cross method. Talk about the time when you received money as a gift. Who gave you? What was the occasion? Why did they give you? And how did you feel after receiving it? Did you see that? In this way, you can have the sequence of your question and you will never miss any of the question to be answered. That's going to ensure your task achievement. Think of a real or imagined story. If you guys have a real situation based on the question that you've received, go for it. But if you are good at story making, go for that as well. Use bullet pointers for flow. These are the pointers that you need to answer. So make sure to go for the bullet pointers so that you can answer them effortlessly. Follow a timeline, past, present, future. पास्ट में क्या हुआ था, अभी क्या हो रहा है, आगे क्या होने वाला है. This will give you a smooth flow to your answer. Talking about further, so make sure to follow a proper structure. Once you are done with the planning, go for introduction, talk about the scenario, what you're going to talk about, main event description, when it happened, how it happened, who was it who gave you the money, and what all the scenario you can think of. It was your birthday, it was like you got a promotion, it was a scenario when you were very happy because you passed some sort of examination, you cleared government examination, and there can be endless reasons through which you can make up an answer. Always remember, you are going to get questions which are majority of time based on experiences. So experience based question many a times आते हैं, and many a times क्योंकि experience based question आते हैं, you need to use past tense. Conclusion and reflection. Make sure कि अगर आप अपने क्वेश्चन को या आंसर को एक प्रॉपर स्टार्ट दे रहे हैं तो इट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एंड योर आंसर विद प्रॉपर क्लीनलीनेस. मतलब एग्जामिनर को थोड़ा सा भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए आपके आंसर में, क्योंकि अगेन एग्जामिनर्स आर नॉट अलाउड टू इंटरप्ट यू, एंड क्योंकि एग्जामिनर्स आपको इंटरप्ट नहीं करेंगे, दिस विल बिकम अ बिट डिफिकल्ट अगर उन्हें कोई भी चीज ऑब्स्क्योर लगी तो. इन केस इफ एनीथिंग गोज अनक्लियर, वो आपसे क्रॉस चेक नहीं करेंगे. Why am I telling you this? In order to make sure कि अगर आप कोई भी चीजें बोल रहे हो तो make sure कि वो चीजें एग्जामिनर को क्लियर हो. Got it? चलो, talking about the tips to ace IELTS Q card, understand the question properly, which is very, very, very important. Use that 1 minute wisely. Follow the clear structure. Tell a story if you want to. Use linkers and discourse markers. Linkers will help you to sequence your answer with smoothness. Speaking for full 2 minutes. Make sure कि आप 2 मिनट तक बोलें until the examiner stops you. If the examiner has to stop you, that's a good news for you. Avoid memorized answer. Exactly. Examiners are quite trained in order to catch the cheaters. So make sure don't go for the memorized answers. Show emotions and opinions. Of course, if you're excited for some sort of a journey you're talking about, if you're excited for some sort of situation you're talking about, make sure to show that on your face, because that brings a natural conversation. Stay calm and smile. And of course, a smile is going to eradicate all your problem and all your nervousness right away. So these are some of the tips and a strategy on how you can ace your Q card section. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I hope this video is going to help you in order to ace your speaking Q card section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.